Good day, guys. Uh, let's teach you how to use different color in your wall and also use divider, wall divider in your wall. Maybe you want to do your interior design. Just what you just do as you have planned this, as you have put up this, what you just do is to click on this wall. When you click on the wall, make sure that you divide the wall make sure that you separate the wall, you split the wall that you want to divide, that you want to use different color. Just click on exactly on the wall. When you click on it, you simply go to this wall. Now the wall will be here, then you click on this place and you say okay. When you say okay, you right click and you go to edit selected composite profile. You click on it. Now this is the wall you want to divide. This is exactly the wall. What you just do, just for time, we will not waste our time. You go to fill, you use fill, come here, put down a wall. Let's go here. Let's put it to this place. Then you click on it. You change the color. You override the surface. You change the color. Let's say we want to use blue color on this wall. You have to use blue color. Then let's put a wall divider. You still click on this. You click on this place because we want to put design. You get here. Then I click here. You get this a little cycle. So I want to get design, You get here and you click here. You get here and you get here. You still click on it and override the color. Let's use white or any color, but let's use white in this case too. So I will use white and I've gotten this. Then you get the next wall. Let's get the next wall. Come here to you get the next wall. Then you also override. We override the color. Let's use red so it will be bright. Then you save it. You save the profile so that you can use the wall in other ones. Let's say the DV. DV. You say okay. Then you apply. As you apply on it, you remove it and you go to your 3D. So this is the wall. This is what we have gotten. You can see what we have gotten. So this is what we have got. You can see the divider. You can see the divider, and also the different color. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood what we did.